You think they're just showing off, don't you? But what if I told you that those feathers aren't actually green or blue? And that the peacock's dance is a high-tech vibration machine? Today, we're diving into 5 facts that will change how you see the world's flashiest bird. Air vibrant colors come from structural coloration. Microscopic crystal-like structures on the feathers reflect light at different angles. If you were to grind a peacock feather into powder, the powder would just be dull brown because the structure is destroyed. When a peacock shakes his feathers, the train rattle, he is sending a secret message. This vibration creates infrasound, a sound frequency below 20 Hz that humans cannot hear. Peahens, females, can feel these vibrations through their crests, the feathers on their heads. It's like a silent bass at a concert that only they can feel. Only the males have the long, beautiful train. The females are mostly brown and gray so they can stay camouflaged while protecting their nests from predators. They aren't long-distance flyers, but they can burst into the air to escape predators like tigers or leopards. They spend their nights roosting high up in trees to stay safe. They have a genetic condition called leucism. Unlike albinism, which lacks all pigment and causes red eyes, leucistic peacocks still have pigment in their eyes, usually resulting in a piercing blue or dark color against pure white feathers.